Hello everyone, this is Instructor Ford with an instructional video about how to create an assignment in a Microsoft Word document and then upload it to Blackboard as an attachment. There are some courses that have an assignment or two that require you to do this, which means the teacher is going to be looking for an attachment instead of looking for your writing right into the assignment portal, which you usually still can do, but it's required that you upload the attachment instead. So in my courses, if the attachment isn't there as required in Microsoft Word, I usually deduct some points for having not done that. Let's go ahead and talk about how to create a Microsoft Word document. If you can see my cursor here going around, it's going to go down to my menu on my desktop, on my computer, and I have Microsoft Word there. There's the icon. So I'm going to click on that, and I want a new document, and I'm going to click on New Document, and it creates one for us there on the screen. It's a very professional and good idea to head your paper with your name. It's also good to put in the date, whatever it might be, and the name of the assignment. So I'm just going to pretend that this is the name of the assignment. I'll put in the class number, which is fake here, and I'm going to say that this is the week 5 reflection. Now, this is just an example. It might actually be called a different assignment name. And then I'm going to go ahead and start writing. Sometimes the assignment will give you specific details about what to do, like creating 2 distinct paragraphs, which in total would equal at least 150 words. That's for both paragraphs together. 150 words. So this is just an example. But if that was the case, I'm going to go ahead and just create a bunch of X's here. Bear with me so I can pretend that I'm writing a sentence. And when I get to the end of the page here, I'll stop and then just cut and copy them so I can show you what your paper might look like when it's done. So maybe this is one paragraph, and maybe this is the second paragraph. This might be how it ends up looking visually, but you want to make sure that you do something like this. You're going to cut and copy that, and then go up here. Let me expand this. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but at the top of your page of your computer screen, you should see a menu called Tools. And if I click on Tools, I think you can see this part. You can go down to word count. And if I clicked on that, it would show me the word count for this highlighted part. So I want to make sure that you know how to use the word count tool so you can see if you have the right word count. Also, in that Tools menu, you'll see that there's a spelling and grammar check too, and you can use that. Highlight it, do the spelling and grammar check, and then you can make sure that you don't have any mistakes in there in your writing. Make sure that when you're done, you hit save. I know you know how to do that. And this is going to save on my desktop. And I'm going to name it. Again, I'll just name it in a fake way. Week 5 reflection. So we'll save and it will be there on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and click off of this document. And let's now go to a page that I had saved for us to look at. What we're looking at now is a particular class in early childhood education, because that's what I teach. And I know you know that if you're looking at your course in Blackboard, on the left side, you'll see the Weeks tab. And when you click on the Weeks tab, it'll take you to all the weeks in the course. And then you can click on a particular week and see what's in that week. So in this particular course, in week 5, over here where my cursor is showing you, it's the week 5 reflection that requires you to upload a Microsoft Word document as an attachment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the blue title of this assignment, and it will take us deeper into the assignment portal. And if I scroll down, I can see attach files. So this is where we will attach the Microsoft Word doc that we just created. I'm going to browse my local files, which means what's on my computer. So that's the one we should pick. And it'll take me to see up here on the left, to my desktop. And I know you don't recognize this stuff. This is my teaching stuff. But I'm going to look for that particular document that we just created. And here it is. So I'm going to click on that, and it will become attached here at the where I'm circling around. To make sure it's all the way finished, you go down and hit submit, and it will then have been uploaded to your, to what's going to be graded for you. So I'm going to go ahead and just click off of that and go back to this opening page. So to end the video, now you know how to create a Microsoft Word doc, how to save it on your desktop. You could save it in other places, but it's very easy to save it on your desktop. And make sure you name it a particular name that makes sense for what you're doing. And then go to the Weeks tab in your class, go to the particular week where the assignment is, click on the title to that assignment, and then go to where you attach the document. If you have any trouble or you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Email is the best way, and I'd be happy to help you so that you know what to do. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.